What up, Alejandro Romo here with Keller Williams LA Harbor, and today I'm here to bring you another property tour of this coastal home here in the beautiful Palisades of San Pedro. This 3-bed, 2-bath offers a 1,609 square foot living space, and it's priced at only $985,000. If you're looking for a spacious home that's only minutes away from the beach, this is definitely the home you need to check out. Let's check it out. Before we get on with the property tour, I just wanted to mention that this listing is not mine. It is a colleague of mine's, Nicole Miller's. She's the one who hooked me up to be able to make this video for you guys. So let's get right into it. All right, now let's head inside. All right, so we're right here in the living room. And I like this living room. It's not too big, it's spacious enough where you can do some activities, have a couple couches here. You got your natural window, you got your natural light from the window. And let's keep going further. We're gonna come here later. We're gonna go to the bedrooms, starting with the first one. Again, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,609 square feet. You got your ceiling fan, your closet. All right, let's keep going, let's keep going. Bunch of storage space, towels, junk, whatever you need. Room number 2, the ceiling fan as well. Okay, let's go into this restroom. I love the old texture tiles, sink that's in here. Very classic. Better than some of this modern stuff that's been coming out. Look at this floor. It's beautiful. Beautiful. All right. This is the 3rd bedroom, which I want to say is the primary bedroom, because here's your door to come into the bedroom. This is the other sliding door that leads to the restroom and shower. What up? What up? Again, you got that nice counter tile, your old school sink. Let's check out the shower. Oh, it's even in here. Beautiful. And then you got your laundry room right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, here is the family room, along with more cabinets to store all your stuff. My favorite thing here is the fireplace. This is a real fireplace where you can throw wood. In December, it gets really cold out here, and it'd be nice to gather around with your family, throw a little bit of logs in there, and just be warm naturally with wood. It has a chimney that goes straight up outside. I can show you that right now when we step outside. Look at this though. All right, now let's look at this kitchen through this peekaboo. I see you. No, let's actually look at the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Beautiful green cabinets, the wooden countertops, perfect, with the green tiles in the back, the dark green tiles, and your stainless steel appliances puts this home, or this kitchen, all together. It's beautiful. Perfect kitchen for me. Awesome. Now let's step to the back, check the backyard, see what kind of carne asadas we can throw out here. All right, you got your little lime tree over there. Put some on your tacos. More, or I think this is a lemon tree. Some yellow ones right there. All right, so this is the backyard. Not super spacious, but it is nice. There was a chimney. So if you want to throw a little party, you can. It won't be the biggest party ever, but it's big enough to gather family. There's a side view. So this home is pretty nice. It's pretty close to grocery stores and a lot of little restaurants down the street off of 25th and Western. You got Vaughn's to shop in, Smart and Final. You got restaurants like Sorrento's and Pronto's, fantastic. You can get some Italian, some burgers, or some Mexican. It's all there. You also got the beach, which is about a 1.3 mile drive, just around the block. You'll get there in no time. All right, guys, so that concludes this property tour. If you love this property or you want to schedule your own private tour, hit me up. If you are interested in buying or selling or just want anything to know about the real estate market now and how it sits, call me, 310-970-2730. I'll be happy to help you accomplish all your real estate needs. And also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any more property tours like this. Until next time, peace. And sometimes you'll even find Mother Nature here. Look at this peacock. It's beautiful.